Welcome back to Wooden Shoe Motorsports. And before I tell you the next vehicle we're working on, see if you can guess. Those of you that know, you know. Leave us a comment, see if you guessed right. So while the apprentice is over here cleaning up the shop, we'll go ahead and get the truck ready and get her pulled in here and get her racked out. So this customer was complaining that when they went down the road, they were hearing a funny noise coming more to the passenger side. Hey, what's that noise? I don't know. You should probably get it looked at though. No, if it gets worse, it'll just get louder. We'll wait till then. Well, that's a good call. Mechanics absolutely love when you bring it to them in pieces. So we go through and we spun the tires. Driver's side checks out okay. So we came over here to the passenger side, gave it a spun. Doesn't sound so good. So we'll go ahead and pop this cover off and pull the hub out and see what's going on there. And now we'll give her a spin. Sounds much better. The hub, however, does not sound better. We'll go ahead and get a set of hubs on order for this thing. While we have it in the air, we're going to continue inspecting underneath it and see if there's anything else amiss. Well, the bushings on the sway bar don't look too hot. Panhard bar doesn't look so hot either. So we'll go ahead and get a set of bushings for this and knock out some bushings while we got it up in the lift. All said and done, we'll get some parts on order. We'll go through and do another inspection. You never know what you're gonna find because after all, it is a, well, you know, it's highlighted in blue. Well, while Dirk keeps playing with that LS motor, I guess we'll continue with the 7.3 motor. Lucky guy.